Tidio Chatbot Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of Tidio Chatbot. In this video, I'll walk you through my experience using Tidio, one of the most popular live chat and chatbot platforms. If you want to try it out, you can find links to the product in the description below. Tidio is a powerful chatbot solution designed for businesses that want to improve customer service, increase sales, and enhance user engagement. It combines live chat and AI chatbots into one seamless platform. What makes Tidio stand out is its ease of use and customization options. Whether you're a small business or a larger enterprise, Tidio offers a flexible system to suit your needs. One of the standout features of Tidio is its AI-powered chatbot. The chatbot can be set up quickly and is capable of answering customer queries in real time, 24/7. You can train the chatbot to handle frequently asked questions, direct customers to specific resources, and even integrate it with your CRM tools. The chatbot can also hand over to a human agent seamlessly when necessary, ensuring that customers always get the help they need. Tidio's interface is intuitive, and setting up automated workflows or chatbots takes just a few minutes. The platform supports integration with various apps such as Shopify, WordPress, and Zapier, making it easy to connect with the tools you're already using. Additionally, it provides detailed analytics to track the performance of your chatbot and live chat, giving you insights into customer interactions and improving your strategies over time. One minor downside is that while Tidio's basic plan is free, some advanced features, such as automated workflows and integrations, are locked behind the paid plans. However, the pricing is competitive, and for businesses looking for more customization, it can be worth the investment. In conclusion, Tidio is a versatile and easy-to-use chatbot platform that offers great value for businesses looking to improve customer support and engagement. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger team, Tidio provides the tools you need to deliver excellent service and streamline your communication processes. Be sure to check out the links in the description to start your trial today.